How to turn off Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. Then tap on the search icon or search bar at the top of the screen and type Wi-Fi calling. From the search results, tap on the Wi-Fi calling option. On some devices, you may need to tap the option again to open the Wi-Fi calling settings page. Once you're there, you'll see a toggle switch for Wi-Fi calling. Simply turn the toggle off to disable the feature. If you can't find Wi-Fi calling using the search function, don't worry. The setting may be located under SIM cards and mobile networks, connections, or mobile network settings, depending on your phone's manufacturer. That's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.